Hello, in this video tutorial we are going to guide our cat through different backdrops. We're going to select 3 of them so the cat can go back and forth between them, doing a kind of horizontal scrolling. So we are going to move the cat with the keyboard as we did in the previous video tutorial, and that is under events, when right arrow press, then in motion point in the right direction and move 10 steps. Now same thing but with the left arrow and the left direction here, and then to finish it, next custom for both of them so it gets animated, and the rotation style shouldn't be all around but left and right so it doesn't go upside down when moving left. Now this was what we already know, moving right, moving left. Now how about the backdrops? We can choose some backdrops from here, from the library. I'm going to get some outdoors backdrops like this and this, maybe the castle too. Then they appear here on the backdrop column. I'm going to delete the white one, and I want them ordered, so the boardwalk is going to be the first one, the brick wall one the second, and the castle 3 the third. So here I can include in the script that when everything starts, when I click the green flag, the backdrop should be the boardwalk. Now I go to the sprite code, and here I have to include something that would switch the backdrop to the next one when the cat has reached the right edge, and some condition so the backdrop should switch to the previous one when the cat has got to the left edge. Now if we click here, we are on the first backdrop. We move the cat to the rightmost position and we see that its coordinate is 271. That's for the center of the cat, and then indeed the center of the cat reaching the right edge is about 240 something, so we're going to use 250. So there should be a conditional statement like if the cat reaches the right edge, then switch backdrop to next one, and if cat reaches the left edge, switch backdrop to the previous one. So how is this condition to be? It's going to be a condition on the horizontal position. So if the horizontal position is bigger than 250, that means the cat got the right edge, and then the left edge is with a negative coordinate minus 269, so we're going to use minus 250 and say that if the x position has got as small as minus 250 or even less than that, then that means the cat has reached the left edge. So those are conditions that are checked to be true, but only once. So we want them to be checked at all times, and so we should include them inside a forever loop. So when they have been checked, they are checked again and again and again, and this checking at all times should start when everything else, when the green flag is clicked. So now we click the green flag and see this happening, the backdrops are changing and the backdrops are changing, but there is something wrong, something missing here, because the cat stays at both outmost positions and we want it to appear from the other side. So if the cat is exiting right, it should appear left and the other way around. So if the cat has reached the right edge, it should appear left. So we are setting the horizontal position of the cat to the leftmost one, which we already know it's minus 250, and if the cat exits left, it should appear right, so we are setting the horizontal position to the rightmost, which is 250. And let's check it now. So the cat can go into one backdrop and back, they are ordered, and then keeps changing one way and the other way as intended. Okay, thank you.